A very blessed good day, dear partners and guests in the entire Philippines and the rest of the world. Welcome to LifeBox Global Incorporated to our regular Zoom meeting featuring our game-changing product, Life Protect, powered by CBACTOR, and of course, our business presentation. But before we introduce to you our very distinguished speaker, let me share to you how fearfully and wonderfully we are made by our divine creator. Let's talk about our cells, no, about mitochondria. So imagine a battery. Yan po si mitochondria. Mitochondria, by the way, are tiny organelles inside the cells that generate energy for the cell through a process called cellular respiration. They are like the powerhouses of the cell, producing ATP, which is adenosine triphosphate, which fuels various cellular activities. So, para ho mas lalo niyong maintindihan, imagine niyo yung cellphone niyo, tanggalin niyo yung battery. Si battery, yung po si mitochondria. So mitochondria are organelles, specializes structures within cells that perform specific functions, and they are like tiny power plants in the body generating energy of the cell. Tanggalin niyo po yung power plant natin, blackout po at brownout po ang buong Pilipinas. That is mitochondria. Ang tanong po, can we see or touch mitochondria? The answer po is no, a big no. They are too small because mitochondria are around 0.5 to 1 micrometers in size. So you only need an electron microscope to visualize them, so they are not tangible. Hindi po natin nahihipo si mitochondria. Mitochondria can get weakened or damaged due to the various factors: oxidative stress, aging, toxins, poor diet, lifestyle factors, genetic mutations. Genetic mutations, by the way, inherited mitochondrial disorders can affect the energy production. Parang ganito yan. Mahal ngayon ng fuel. So kung walang fuel, wala po. Mag-i-stop po ang ating industriya. That is how important fuel is. That is how important the powerhouse called mitochondria. At nasisira din po si mitochondria due to infection and inflammation. And chronic infection or inflammation can disrupt mitochondrial function. So again, imagine a battery of our cell phone. Mitochondria are like the energy hubs of our cells. They are the energy production. They are the cell signaling. They do the process of apoptosis. Apoptosis is a process in which the cancer cells are even broken down. Okay? Ang mitochondria, siya ang calcium regulation, siya ang nagmamanage ng ating metabolism. Kaya po yung iba nagtataka, bakit kaya ganun, konti lang akong kumain pero ako'y tumataba? Kasi po, mabagal ang inyong metabolismo o mabagal ang inyong metabolism. So, tumutulong po si mitochondria for the metabolism, and mitochondria play a very important role in metabolism, nutrients, and producing reactive oxygen species known as the ROS. So, ang tanong po ng marami, can we live without mitochondria? Technically, the answer is no. Sabi ko nga po sa inyo, tanggalin ninyo ang battery ng cellphone nyo. Ang gagawin nyo, iiyak kayo sa isang sulok dahil kahit anong gawin nyo, hindi nyo mapapaandar ang inyong cellphones. Mitochondria are essential for cellular function. Without them, cells would lack energy and die. Mitochondrial dysfunction is linked to diseases. Ito po yung mga sakit na ibibigay ng kakulangan ng powerhouse or mitochondria sa ating katawan. Degenerative diseases like yung pong tinatawag na neurodegenerative disorders like brain stroke, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's diseases, diabetes or high blood sugar, cancer, and many more. Kaya pala, no? Kaya pala. But of course, we thank God that we have Life Protect, empowered by CBACTOR, that can help mitochondria be restored, be recharged, be repaired to continue to function as our body's generator of energy or powerhouses for the cells. So again, sa Diyos lang po ang papuri kasi siya ang gumawa ng ating katawan at siya din ang gumawa ng ating mitochondria. But now, we come to our much-awaited presentation. Our distinguished speaker, especially for our first-time guest, siya po ay isang registered nurse. Siya po ay he graduated from Davao Doctors Medical School. At alam mo, ito isang favorite na description ko sa kanya. Malalim ang kanyang pagmamalasakit sa ating kalusugan, kagalingan, kalakasan, at ganoon din ang pagdanasa na magbago ang antas ng ating buhay, ng ating pamilya, at ng ating hindi lang buong komunidad, kung maaari buong Pilipinas. And as LifeMax co-founders and management promised to us, tayo po'y lalabas ng Pilipinas. Kaya nga po tayo ay LifeMax Global Incorporated. Kaya wag lang po kayong mainip at isa-isa na po tayo mag-o-open very soon sa iba't ibang mga bansa. Siya din po ay isang icon leader, isang napaka-consistent top performer sa mga global and health wellness industry for more than 15 years. Imagine nyo, batang-bata siya. May gatas pa sa labi. Pero 15 taon na siyang namamayagpag sa industriya natin po dito sa multi-level marketing. So he became a regional stockist, a country representative, at siya pong ating dakilang financer. So despite of all his achievements, he is very much approachable. Napaka-humble po niya, napakabait po niya, napaka-down-to-earth person po niya, at totoong may tinatawag na tender loving care na ikinakabit po sa mga registered abroad. Kasi po kilalang-kilala ang mga registered abroad na napakabait nila. They have the tender loving care. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give our God bless you welcome to a man of integrity with a compassionate heart to serve. At dahil siya po ay totoong product of the product, isang walking billboard, ika nga, ay makikita natin ang ebidensya ng kutis mayaman at kutis celebrity is our LifeMax Global Incorporated, our Chief Marketing Officer. Here's Captain Coach Gerson Pareño.
Yes, grabe, no? So what a wonderful introduction. Thanks to you, Coach Bernie Mariano. So isa sa mga top icon po natin, no? So introduction pa lang 'yon, but ang dami na nating mga knowledge, no, na learn in just no. By the way, but before that, we'd like to welcome all our leaders, no, from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao na andito ngayon sa ating Zoom meeting, and especially sa ating mga first time guests po na nandito ngayon sa ating Zoom presentation with our LifeMax Global Incorporated. Welcome po, no? So but before we will start, I would like to show you a video in regards po or yung mga sinabi ni Coach Bernie, no? In related to yung mga sinabi ni Coach Bernie kung gaano ka polluted na po, kung gaano ka dangerous na po ang ating environment nowadays. So let's watch this video.
Kapag naririnig natin ang salitang polusyon, kadalasan ang naiisip natin ay maruming hangin, usok mula sa sasakyan o kontaminadong tubig. Pero paano kung sabihin ko sa inyo, ang pinakamapanganib na polusyon ay hindi lamang nasa paligid natin. Ito ay nangyayari na mismo sa loob ng ating katawan. Araw-araw, tayo ay nalalantad sa mga mapaminsalang elemento, mula sa hangin na ating nilalanghap na may halong toxins, sa mga process na pagkain na ating kinakain, sa mga kemikal sa ating kapaligiran, at maging sa stress na ating nararanasan araw-araw. Ang lahat ng ito ay nagdudulot ng pagbuo ng tinatawag na mga siyentipiko na free radicals. Ano nga ba ang free radicals? Ang free radicals ay mga hindi matatag na molecules na sumisira sa ating malulusob na cells. Isipin ninyo sila bilang maliliit na kalaban sa loob ng ating katawan na patuloy na naghahanap ng malulusob na cells na kanilang sisirain. Ang prosesong ito ay tinatawag na oxidative stress. At isa ito sa mga pangunahing dahilan kung bakit humihina ang ating katawan sa paglipas ng panahon. Ngayon, narito ang nakakabahalang katotohanan. Araw-araw tayong nalalantad sa free radicals. At kapag hindi ito kayang labanan ng ating katawan, unti-unti itong naiipon. Sa paglipas ng panahon, maaari itong magdulot ng iba't ibang problema sa kalusugan tulad ng mahinang immune system, palagi ang pagkapagod, maagang pagtanda, pamamaga, inflammation, problema sa puso, mataas na blood sugar, at maging malulubhang chronic diseases. Kaya naman, maraming tao ngayon ang nakakaranas ng mga sakit kahit bata pa lamang, dahil ang pinsala ay hindi agad nakikita. Ngunit ito ay nangyayari sa loob mismo ng ating mga cells. Ang totoo, ang ating katawan ay may natural na panlaban laban sa free radicals. Ito ay tinawag na antioxidants. Ngunit dahil sa modernong pamumuhay, polusyon, at hindi tamang pagkain, madalas ay hindi ito sapat. Kaya napakahalaga na suportahan natin ang ating katawan sa cellular level. Hindi lamang sa paggamot ng sintomas, kundi sa pagprotekta at pagpapalakas ng ating mga cells mula sa loob. Dahil ang tunay na kalusugan ay hindi lamang nakikita sa panlabas, ito ay nagsisimula sa malusog na cells sa loob ng ating katawan. Kaya sa susunod na isipin mo ang polusyon, tandaan mo ito. Ang pinakamapanganib na polusyon ay ang hindi mo nakikita, ngunit tahimik na nakakaapekto sa iyong kalusugan araw-araw. Kapag
Yes. The most dangerous pollution is here right now, no? So alam naman natin, no, kahit saan tayo, wala po tayong kawala, especially sa ating environment, yung ating environmental pollution or smog, and we have also the car smoke, no? Grabe. And industrial pollution, ayan, UV radiation, lalo na ngayon, nowadays, grabe yung init dahil nga sa yung numinipis na po yung ating ozone layer. And also, itong ating mga toxic chemicals, kasali na po yung mga preservatives na sa ating mga pagkain. And ito yung isa sa pinaka malupit, no? Kumbaga, wala po tayong kawala because these are things na always nating ginagamit. Itong mga radiations ng ating mga gadgets, especially our cell phones, no? Ito ay tinatawag na EMF or electromagnetic frequency. So, these are the pollutions, no? Itong mga pollutions ito ay tinatawag nating free radicals. Yan. So, ang impact po ng yung exposure natin, no? So the health impact of this excessive exposure to these free radicals, dahil po dito around 65% increase of cancer in human beings, as well as 60% increase of stress to those who are in city areas, and 35% increase of sterility and decreased fertility rates amongst men. Kaya marami na pong naepektuhan na hindi na po nagkakaanak. And 21% increase of brain tumor in children. Grabe. And around 85 to 90% increase of cardiovascular diseases, neurodegenerative disorder, and other chronic conditions to human dahil po sa too much or excessive exposure to these free radicals. Kaya naman talagang nakakatakot po ang ganitong pangyayari. And there are a lot of studies that link that cell phone use, no, increase of cell phone use can possible increase the cancer risk, no? So there are a lot of research articles that supports that using cell phones, no, can possible increase the risk of cancer, and even the WHO po, no? So eto nilagay dito, cell phone use can increase possible cancer risk. And there's a study, no, that had been done in Lund University in Sweden, no, kung saan meron po silang ginawa na yung test sa isang daga, no, especially the rat's brain, since yung rat's brain are almost similar yung structure sa human brain. Kaya ito yung ginawa nilang best example or best experimentation, no, na kung saan pwede nilang i-conduct. So what they do is they first scan yung rat's brain. At first, it shows here na wala pa, normal pa yung rat brain. Then they put it in the cage, no? So ang ginawa nila, they put a cell phone, and 2 hours exposure to the cell phone radiation, all right? After 2 hours exposure in calling mode, no? So in calling mode po 'yan. After that, then they scan it again, and they had found out na yung brain ng rat nag-shrink, no? So parang nag-ano siya, no? Yung kumbaga nag-shrink siya, at the same time may mga neuronal damage na nag-occur, yung mga parang mga little bit of parang ano nodules, no? Yung mga tumor, no? So yan po in just a matter of 2 hours dose of cellphone. So imagine how much more tayo po, no? Tayo as a human being, ito po yung nagiging daily routine po natin, no? Kung saan every time na mayroon tayong mga transactions, we're using cellphone, especially yung mga negosyante, especially yung mga nasa mga call centers, no? So we're exposed to this tinatawag natin na mga EMF or electromagnetic frequency or radiation. And minsan nga, no, kahit napapansin natin yung pag umabot ng mga 1 to 2 oras na exposed to the cellphone, na kumbaga na-experience natin yung init, no, sa tenga, no? So ang ginagawa natin after kung mainit na yung sa tenga natin, no, nililipat natin sa kabilang tenga na naman. Kaya grabe, no, yung exposure natin to this radiation. In fact, did you know children are more prone to EMR or electromagnetic radiation? That's why we must be aware of this, no? Because children they have thinner skulls, no? Their brain are still developing, and 5 times chance from getting cancer in tumor. Kaya naman sa mga lahat po ng mga parents po nandito, no? Especially yung may mga anak pa na maliliit, they were very high risk in to this mga possibilities dahil sa yung manipis pa yung skulls po nila. Kaya naman let us be aware to this. In fact, there's a test here, no? Kumbaga, this is the radiation penetration rate. So kung saan ipinapakita po dito, ito yung yellow red areas. This is an indicator of the thermal heating penetrating the human brain. So on the first image, this is the brain of a 5-year-old. And these red areas, no, yung thermal heating, it had been penetrate around nasa mga 90 to 95% yung deep penetration po. Ganun kadelikado once yung 5-year-old, no, na-expose sa cellphone. And imagine, minsan nagagalit pa yung bata, no, pag kumaga kinukunan ng cellphone, or tayo mismo, no, yung mga parents, no, tinotolerate natin na sige, para hindi ka na mag-iyak, gamitin mo yung cellphone para paglaruan. And grabe pala yung chances or somehow yung effect ng exposure to this radiation. And even yung 10-year-old, as you can see on the second image, it's around yung penetration rate nito nasa mga around 70 to 75% yung penetration rate. And of course, kahit na po yung mga adult, no, walang kawala dahil nasa mga 35 to 40% yung deep penetration in terms naman sa mga adult. But as what I have said, no, lalo na yung mga talagang babad palagi sa mga cellphone, ang ginagawa, pag uminit na yung kabilang tenga, inililipat sa another side ng tenga. Kaya naman, imagine, kahit na nasa mga 40% ito, pag nilipat mo sa kabila, another 40%, almost 100% na rin yan. Kaya wala pong kawala. Chances are talagang pwedeng, or may chances are talagang medyo nakaka-damage po ng brain po yan. Kaya naman, let us be aware to this. Okay? And we don't want to kumbaga matatamaan tayo dito. And of course, radiation not with our children. We don't like na tayo po ay magiging biktima po or somehow maapektuhan po ng mga chances na ganito, no? But somehow yun nga, as what I have said, itong mga gadgets natin, mga cellphones especially, no? Wala na po tayong kawala dahil ito na po yung mode of communication natin. Every time may mga transactions po tayo, and even sa mga bata, talagang binibigyan kasi noon parang once pa lang sa gusto lang, no? But right now, these are nabilong na po sa mga needs po natin, no? So especially right now, no? Kumbaga hindi po pwedeng maiwan po ang cellphone sa bahay. Kung nakakalimutan, talagang binabalikan para makuha lang talaga yung cellphone. And ito lang po 'yun ang problema, wala na po tayong kawala to these things, no? Ito na po yung ating parang kumbaga yung normal na kasanayan, or kumbaga we're exposed to this. And the question right now is, how will we protect ourselves to these free radicals or radiations, no? And good news, dahil po tayo ay talagang nakikita natin na hindi po ito talagang pwedeng ganito lang, no? Wala tayong gawin. That's why LifeMax Global Incorporated had been initiatively formulated this kind of kumbaga protection, no, against the radiation. And we would like to introduce to you our product, no, with LifeMax, the Life Protect. So itong Life Protect po natin, no, it is powered by our hero ingredient, itong tinatawag natin na Himalayan sea buckthorn. And this product is a natural superfood, act as a free radical scavenger and immunomodulator. And in fact, no, yung mga Russian in 1980s, no, 1980s, Russian cosmonauts were supplementing their diet with sea buckthorn. Kaya ganun ka tindi po itong ating hero ingredient. Russian astronaut used sea buckthorn as supplement mainly because of its protective and nutritional properties, especially in the harsh environment of space. Outer space is filled with cosmic radiation, which can damage cells and increase health risk. And imagine yung kung mayroon kayong idea kay yung isang astronaut from NASA, no? Yung babae, no, na yung isang astronaut doon na kumbaga in 9 months na kumbaga na parang somehow natagalan siya sa outer space, no? After 9 months going back to the earth, talagang almost 30 years yung kumbaga yung itsura niya, yung biological niya, no? Yung age niya. Talagang ganun, no? Okay, so if you have heard by Sunita Williams, yun po yung pangalan. Talagang ganun po yung pwedeng maging effect once you were exposed to this cosmic radiation. Kaya Soviet scientists found that sea buckthorn helps protect the body from radiation exposure, since it had been discovered that is packed with compounds that fight free radicals, harmful molecules produced by radiation and stress. In space, astronauts experience more oxidative stress, so this is crucial. That's why sea buckthorn contains a high in vitamin C, carotenoids, flavonoids, and vitamin E. This acts as antioxidants, helping prevent cell damage, aging, immune support, heart and blood health, tissue repair, and healing. And this product contains around 190 plus bioactive nutrients. Kaya ganun na lang katindi yung ating hero ingredient, sea buckthorn. That's why it had been used by cosmonauts from China and Russia. Dahil ito ay nakakatulong pag-neutralize ng mga radiations. Yan po. And I would like to show you a video dahil hindi lang po yun ang benefit ng ating hero ingredient na sea buckthorn. Ito po ay mayroong mga other benefit na pwede po nating ma-enjoy while taking this one. So I would like to show this video Okay, so let's watch this.
Alam nyo ba kung saan talaga nagmula ang golden berry ng kabundukan? Ito ang sea buckthorn o Hippophae rhamnoides L. Ang orihinal na tirahan nito ay mula sa Central Asia at Northwestern Europe. Nagsimula ito sa Altai Mountains, Hilagang China, at hanggang sa mga matataas na bundok ng Himalayas. Likas din itong matatagpuan sa Hinduan Mountains, Caucasus, at Siberia. At alam nyo ba? Ang generic na pangalan nito, ang Hippophae, ay nagmula sa sinaunang Griego na nangangahulugang shiny horse. Ito ay dahil sa kasaysayan, ginamit itong pampalusog at pampaganda ng balahibo ng mga kabayo. Dahil sa pambihira nitong benepisyo, ang sea buckthorn ay mabilis na kumalat sa buong Eurasia. At ngayon, ito ay kinikilala at kinukultiba na sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo, tulad ng Germany, sa Europa, Canada, at United States. Ang sea buckthorn ay isang superfood dahil sa kaniyang walang katulad na nutritional profile. Taglay nito ang omega-3 at omega-6, ngunit ang pinakanatatangi ay ang omega-7 o palmitoleic acid, isang napakabihirang MUFA, monounsaturated fatty acid. Ang omega-7 ay critical sa pagtulong sa iba't ibang metabolic disorders. May mahalagang papel ito sa glucose metabolism, pagpapanatili ng skin health, at pagpapabuti ng liver functions, git pa sa taba. Kunurin ang bunga na ito ng iba pang bioactive compounds. Mataas na vitamin C, antioxidants, flavonoids, at iba pang minerals. Ang mga compound na ito ang nagbibigay sa halaman ng kaniyang pambihirang benepisyo. Pagiging anti-inflammatory, immune boosting, anti-cancer, anti-diabetic, at cardioprotective. Ang sea buckthorn ay nagtataglay ng extraordinary potential para sa kalusugan ng tao. Ito ay isang natural na kayamanan na maaaring isama sa routine therapies. Ang golden berry, matanda sa kasaysayan, at may malaking pangako para sa ating... Alam nyo ba?
Wow! Ganon katindi yung ating Life Protect, especially yung ating hero ingredient, the sea buckthorn. And you know what? Our Life Protect, hindi lang po yung sea buckthorn ang meron tayo, but it contains around other 27 active ingredients with 12 fruits, seeds, and gut supporting sources. And ito po yung mga benefit po na pwede po nating ma-enjoy sa ating mga ingredients ng ating Life Protect. Okay? So ang ating Life Protect po, no, it has an active ingredients, no, and benefits. It has blueberry, gooseberry, camu berry, blackberry, and bellberry. And these are berries that contains flavonoids, polyphenols, anthocyanins. Talagang grabe yung antioxidants, kaya naman talagang nakakatulong po ito sa mga anti-tumor may anti-tumor properties, no, yung sa mga anti-inflammatory, no, and also maganda po ito sa mata since meron po itong mga B complex na which are good for our nerves, and a lot more, no, na talagang nakakatulong sa DNA repair po natin. Yan. Then we have also pink grapefruit, no? And maganda po ito sa ating metabolism. It boosts metabolism and it aids weight management. Kaya naman sa gustong mga pumayat at hindi mabilis gutumin, magandang produkto po ito. And even me, myself, no, experience ko to dahil yung natitake ko to, no, every time mag-take ako nito, hindi ako mabilis magutom. Yan. And we have other ingredients. We have marigold flower, no? Maganda dahil maganda ito sa mata dahil it contains lutein, good for the eyes. We have sunflower seed, no? Vitamin E, pampaganda sa ating skin, no? And also good for the heart, and it has an inflammation support. And we have nattokinase. Itong nattokinase, napakatindi po nitong ingredient na ito dahil ito po ay nagso-support, no, sa yung bone, kumbaga calcium absorption, blood circulation, good for the heart health, maintain the blood, and help break up blood clots that may protect against heart diseases, conditions caused by blood clots such as stroke, heart attack, and others, no? So ano siya, para siyang blood thinner na kung saan it will kumbaga microclustered yung mga nagkaklag na dugo po natin sa katawan. Ayan. Then we have chicory root. Chicory root is a prebiotic that aids digestion for gut health, blood sugar, and nutrient absorption. So we have bifidobacteria is maganda po din especially sa gut, no? Digestion, reduce bloating, boost immunity, no? Then maganda to dahil ito po ay dietary fiber that produce beneficial compounds that like vitamins and fatty acids. And we have lactobacillus, good for immunity and prevents diarrhea po. Yan, gut health po yan. Yan. And yung ating pinaka-hero ingredient, we have the sea buckthorn. And you know what? This sea buckthorn contains omegas. We have omegas 3, omega 6, the rare omega, which is the good for DNA repair, the omega 7. Napakalupit po nito, no? And we have omega 9. So, improve skin health, support immunity, enhance heart health, and anti-inflammatory effects, anti-cancer. The anti-tumor activity of sea buckthorn can attribute to bioactive compounds, no, particularly phenolic compounds such as flavonoids including campirol, quercetin, and ensorhamnitin. This protects cells from oxidative damage that can lead genetic mutation to cancer. So maganda siya dahil anti-cancer, maganda yung anti-cancer properties niya. So aside from that, it contains 190, as what I observed, it contains another 190 plus bioactive nutrients. Kaya naman talagang napakaganda po ng ating Life Protect. And as a stem cell, no, we know that our body made up of stem cells, and stem cells are the body's natural repair kit or system. But suddenly, no, however, as we age, the number of our stem cell decreases, causing to not heal as quickly as we used to. That's why, no, nakikita natin dito, pag bata ka pa, no, as yung bata pa tayo, talagang napakataas ng ating natural stem cell, kaya mabilis yung recovery, rapid healing, then youthful ang ating skin. Talagang nakapagpabata yung ating natural stem cell dahil marami, no, kumbaga it regenerates the cells natin, no. But however, pag yung ating natural stem cell as we age, nagdi-deplete yan. And that's why yung healing process po, no, pag lalo na pag medyo may edad na, medyo slow na yung healing process, mas fast na yung aging process, yung skin natin medyo talagang nagdi-deteriorate na. Kaya naman talagang we need to have a support na kung saan pwedeng kumbaga bumalik yung stem cell production po natin. But good news, no? But however, no, pag wala kang somehow support, talagang lalo na we are exposed to these free radicals, wala po tayong kumbaga wala po tayong magagawa po diyan. But good news dahil nga meron tayong natural remedies or somehow support, no? Natural support with this Life Protect, especially yung ating hero ingredient had been studied, no? And kumbaga had been affirmed na kung saan talagang nakakatulong ito sa ating stem cell production. In fact, they have conducted a study or a test, no, sa isang patient, no. They test the production level of the stem cell, no, sa katawan niya. Then ang ginawa, no, kinunan yung baseline, no. Then after that, pinakonsume ng sea buckthorn extract. By the time na nag-consume ng sea buckthorn extract, in just a matter of 1 to 2 hours of consumption, no, of taking the sea buckthorn extract, they had kumbaga they have seen a tremendous production of the stem cell, natural stem cell sa katawan niya po, no. In fact, ito po yung pinakita natin. These are the ratio or kumbaga ito yung range kung saan yung productivity level, no, yung percentage ng productivity level ng kanyang natural stem cell. So we have progenitor stem cell, talagang tumaas talagang lumakas yung production ng kanyang natural stem cell. Kaya naman, talaga, just a matter of 1 to 2 hours, ha? That's why, itong ating Life Protect, since it contains hero ingredients Cibactone, talagang napakaganda at nakakatulong sa stimulate or sa pagpaparami ng ating natural stem cells sa katawan. And with this, talagang pwede itong tutulong, no, na mas mabilis yung healing process kung mayroon kang problema sa katawan. Mabilis itong sa ano, no, kumbaga sa restoration, and of course nakakapagpabata po, no, sa atin, no. Kumbaga it will make you, kumbaga, 10 to 20 years younger than your age. Kaya naman napakaganda po nito, no? Yan. And these are the other benefits that we can get with our Life Protect. So ang ating Life Protect po, it helps and support anti-inflammatory, no? Meron siya anti-inflammatory. It protects against cancer and heart disease, aids weight loss and bone health, promotes eye health, regulates blood pressure, boosts energy and vitality, helps cellular restoration, improves ulcerative colitis, enhance cognitive function, ayan, brain calming, helps managing diabetes, liver support, radioprotective, yan, prevent prostate issues, aids insomnia, yung mga may problema sa tulog, ayan, prevent erectile dysfunction. Oy, yon, sir, mga sir, no? So, yan, maganda yan. Helps thyroid and goiter problem, neutralize free radicals, aids in constipation, promotes urinary tract infection, helps restore kidney problem, rheumatism, vertigo, depression, boosts appetite, helps relieve arthritis, enhance stem cell production, promotes skin health, anti-aging effect, and others. No? Ang dami talaga po na pwede nating ma-enjoy na benefit with this Life Protect. Yan. Kaya naman, in just a matter of ilang months pa po lang po tayo, but somehow, ang dami na pong mga testimonies, ang dami na pong mga positive result while taking up this Life Protect we have with LifeMax Global. Yan. So in fact, ito isa sa mga sample, no, diabetic patient, gangrenous, no, before. So as you can see, mayroon siyang sugat and talagang hindi po gumagaling yung sugat niya, no. As a result, yung diabetic niya, no, yung kumbaga yung sugar niya, no, around 250. Ayan. But after continuous taking in just a matter of a week time, taking this Life Protect, they have seen talagang positive result, no? From 250 naging 115, no? Yung kanyang sugar level, no? So, but of course, because of that, in result, no? Ito nangyari. Ayan. So, gumaling, no? Kumbaga kumbaga yung sugat niya nag-dry. Nag-dry yung sugat. Ayan. So, dito naman yung high blood pressure, no? As you can see, eto, no? So, while taking up the yung Life Protect natin, of course, we're not telling you na ito yung magiging alternative. Kung meron kang mga tinitake na medicine, so just take it, no? This is just support, no? But somehow this is just an example kung saan itong person na ito, hindi ito kumbaga wala siyang maintenance, no? So wala siyang mini-maintain, no? Tinest niya lang dahil yun nga na experience niya na talagang tumaas ang kanyang blood pressure. Then 1039, no? So yan, 1039, 145 to 90. In after March 31, 10:45, in just a matter of ilang minutes, ayan, nag 139 to 85. Then after an hour, no? So nag-normalize balik. Ayan. Recorded po 'yan, no? So ayan. So check po. Ang ganda ng kanyang experience sa Life Protect. And this product, that's why we're very proud to introduce to you yung ating product formulator, ang ating biochemist, research scientist, no? Hindi basta-basta. And we're very proud because this is a Filipina scientist. Ang ating science educator, formulator, our CEO, no other than Dr. Lalaine Grace Felicitas. Kaya naman, ganun na lang katindi yung ating produkto. Dahil ito po ay formulated ng isang dalubhasang scientist po natin. Okay, yan po, no? So, as you can see, yung kanyang credentials, ang lulupit po, hindi basta-basta. And that's why we could say this is our edge as a company dahil meron po tayong kakaibang produkto, our very own, wala pong katulad na game changer product yung ating Life Protect. Kahit po saan kayo maghahanap, wala po. Sorry to tell you, nandito lang po yan sa LifeMax Global. Ayan. And people behind the company, of course, we have our COO, we have our Sir Edward Felicitas, and you're truly the CMO of the company, Gerson Pareño, and we have the CFO, Carol Grace B. Pareño. Yan. So, by the way, I am a nurse by profession. Also, my partner here, no, is also a nurse. So that's why, kumbaga, yung team po natin, we're, kumbaga, nasa medical field po kami. Yan. Kaya naman, yung aming focus po is to help to maintain yung good functions ng ating katawan. Ayan. Yun po ang ating pinaka-main objective. As a company, ito po ang ating yung mga legalities. We have already have our SEC, ayan, certification of incorporation. Then we have our license to operate already. We have the LTO FDA natin. Then halal ng ating manufacturing. Ayan. So, etong tanong, how much? By the way, before that, before I will answer that, so ang procedure po ng pag-take nito, this is a direct to mouth intake. Ayan. Bakit? No? So, instead of using the capsule, we kumbaga mas inano namin, no, mas pinili namin na ano siya, extract, powder extract. Why? Dahil mas fast yung absorption niya. Kumbaga nasa 90 to 95% yung absorption rate nito. Then it will be directly to the bloodstream and also as kidney safe. Unlike with the ano no, yung mga capsule, we don't know kung dahil nga hindi naman natin alam lalo na sa mga manufacturing na pinagawan, we don't know if that capsule kumbaga yung raw mats niya is galing ba sa BG Cap or somehow kadalasan yung mga ginagamit is mga nasa mga bovine or somehow yung mga kumbaga pig skin, no, kumbaga talagang hindi mabilis matunaw, especially yung mga 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 person na mayroon silang mga kidney problem na. So hindi na na-filter kaya mas delikado po sila. Whereas with this, no, so kaya naman mas pinili po natin, no, na talagang extract siya dahil mabilis yung mas ano siya, mas kumbaga mas safe siyang gamitin at mabilis. Ayan. So ang ating product po, no, Life Protect, it contains 14 sachet. And yung 14 sachet po natin, every sachet, it contains 3,000 milligrams. Kaya naman yung ating isang sachet, para ka na ring uminom ng 6 na kapsula. Dahil yung capsule, usually yung mga supplement sa capsule, nasa 500 milligrams yan. No? So, hindi pa kasali yan kung mga, kumbaga yung iba, minsan nilalagyan pa ng mga fillers, no, mga or mga somehow mga binders, kaya naman hindi siya yung exact 500 milligrams talaga na nakukuha or na-enjoy. But here sa ating sachet, dahil since extract yan, concentrated extract yan, and these are all natural, kumbaga 100% nakukuha nyo po yung na-enjoy yung 3,000 milligrams. Ayan, so yung isang sachet, it is ratio or it is good as you take 6 capsule. So 6 na kapsula. So since it contains 14 sachet, so 6 times 14, para ka na rin uminom sa isang box ng ating Life Protect, it is equivalent just like you are taking 84 capsule sa mga supplement na capsule base. Alright? So yung ating isang box natin is 3,000 milligrams 14 sachet. So ang question, how much ang presyo? Why? Wow, no, so actually sabi nga ni doktora, no, this product is kakaiba. It had been formulated by a biochemist. Kaya naman if kumbaga tutusin, no? Ang presyo talaga nito, as Doktora said, we could price this one as much dahil sa ingredient, napakalupit na mga ingredient na nandito po sa ating Life Protect. So that's why we could price this one as much as 11,200 sa isang box. But of course, we don't do that since gusto natin na mas maraming maka-enjoy at mas maraming maka-benefit ng ating Life Protect. That's why instead of pricing it for 11,200, we just price this one sa isang box. Ma-enjoy nyo na po for as low as 2,500 pesos only. Yan. Kaya naman talagang napaka generous po ng ating company, LifeMax Global. Yan. So make money with LifeMax Global. How to be a business associate. Ang kagandahan po, dahil sa isang box pa lang, pwede ka nang mag-member. Yan. So as the time mag-member ka, no, you have the chance to earn a huge income, no? So kung talagang i-share mo ito, okay? So be an entrepreneur sa ating LifeMax Global. So wala po tayong registration fee. Just simply purchase the product package to retail or purchase for your personal consumption. So no quota or mandatory maintenance, business with no boundaries, real-time commission, daily payout, generous compensation program, unlimited income potential, claim products every renewal, what's capping is reached, free trainings and support system, no fee fare, trip incentive, and travel rewards. Yan, our offer. So we offer premium products, ultimate comp plan, rewards, and bonuses. So you could, with our LifeMax Global business, you could be a consumer, yes. You could be an entrepreneur, yes. Or you could do both. You could be a consumer and entrepreneur. Ayan, how to become a business associate. So to get started with LifeMax Global Business, just purchase any of the 5 business packages. So meron tayong 5 pagpipilian kung saan nyo gustong mag-umpisa. Ayan, so these are the packages, options. We have 1 box, this is called the light pack. We have 2 box, the core pack. We have 4 box, the pro pack. And we have the master pack, 16 boxes. And we have the infinity pack, 40 boxes. So, ang kagandahan dito sa LifeMax Global, meron po tayong program, no? Yung naka-program na po ito na kahit light pack ka lang, nag-umpisa ka sa light pack, you will have the chance, no, na pwede kang maging infinity pack. So, paano? Mamaya i-share ko sa iyo, no? So, kahit na as you grow your business, as you grow your network, you could be a infinity pack. Mamaya share natin, no? So, we have 5 ways to earn, all right? So, first way to earn, we have the outright commission. So, ang ating suggested retail price po ng ating isang box ay 2,500 per box. Member price 2,1, so automatically you will be enjoying an outright commission of 400 pesos, no? Ayan, sa iyong outright commission. Okay? So we have the referral commission. So itong referral commission natin, it will be based on the package we get or yung entry package po natin. Ayan. So kung light pack ka, you will be enjoying 20% referral bonus based on the point value, no, ng ating boxes. Ayan. So kung light pack ka, you will be enjoying $4 every box. Kung core pack ka, 25%, that's $5 every box. Kung pro pack ka, 30%, that's $6 every box. Kung master pack ka, 35% or $7 per box. Pag infinity pack ka, 40% or $8 per box. Kaya naman, pag light pack ka at saka nakapag-refer ka ng infinity, so 4 times 40, that's $160. Kung core pack ka naman, nakapag-refer ka ng infinity, $5 times 40, that's $200 per dollar referral bonus. Then pag pro pack ka, 6 times 40, nakapag-refer ka ng infinity, 240. Then master pack, nakapag-refer ka ng infinity, so 7 times 40, that's 280. And ito yung maganda. Dahil once you will be an infinity and every box you will enjoy $8 per box, then nakapag-refer ka ng infinity as well, so 40 bucks yan. So 8 times 40, that's $320 yung referral bonus. Yan. And we have the third way to earn. This one is the binary plan. Ayan. Okay? So yung binary plan po natin, this is a computer-generated system. Every time na ma-detect ng ating system na may pupasok sa isang box sa left, isang box sa right, you will be enjoying $4 every match. Or every one box on the left, one box on the right, $4. $4. Yan. So, yan. Okay. So, for example, light account, no? So nakapag-refer ka ng dalawa, so you will be enjoying $4 each niyan. Okay, so you will enjoy $8. Then nakapag-match ka, so automatically pag na-detect sa system, isang box sa left, isang box sa right, there's a match, you will be enjoying $4. Ayan. How about yung dalawang napa-join mo? They will also duplicate, they will get 2, no? So nagkuha sila ng dalawa. So every time na makita sa system na mayroong match, every one box on the left, one box on the right, $4. Another one box on the left, one box on the right, $4. Ayan. So, until such time na nag-apat-apat na, no? So, ayan. Every match, $4, $4. Kaya naman, how about kung infinity, nasa left mo, nag-join infinity. So, ang infinity is $40. Then, mayroon din nag-join sa kabila mo, right? $40 din, infinity. So, 40 times 4, so $160 may enjoy mo. So kaya naman infinity yan, no? And up to the ano siya, yung infinity, no? Yan. So binary income potential. Ano yung potential ng ating mga pwedeng kitain ng ating based on the packages we get, no? So ito yung maximum bonus pairing, okay? So pag light pack po kayo dito, pwede po kayong kumita yung isang box nyo. Saan kayo makakita ng negosyo kung saan sa isang box nyo pa lang, you will have the chance to earn $300 or 21,000 peso. Yan. Kung core pack ka, $600 or 40,000 peso. Kung pro pack is 3,602 or 252,000 peso. Kung master is 7,200 or 504,000. Then infinity is $12,000 or 840,000. The question right now is, how will you earn this one? Monthly ba ito? Weekly ba ito? Yes, it could be per week. It could be per day. It could be per hour or even per minute. Depende sa grupo nyo. Depende sa kabilis ng network nyo. So, kaya dito sa LifeMax Global, name it, no? You can have it, no? Pwede mong kitain talaga. Pero talagang ang goal mo lang is i-build mo yung community mo, yung network mo. So, the more your network grows, no, the more yung pairing bonus ma-enjoy mo. Yan. So, how to upgrade your account? Ganito po yung sistema natin, okay? So, take note, 10% from overall bonus will be automatically deducted for your upgrade or capping. Yan. So, for example, light account. Yung light account mo, okay, ang maximum na pwedeng kitain is $300. So, automatically, every time mag-income ka, 10% of your income will be automatically segregated, as what I have said. So, 10% of the 300, that's $30. Ayan. So, nakasegregate agad yung $30. So, ang question nito, paano mo ito, paano mo ito, anong gawin mo dito, no? So, or paano mo ma-enjoy ito? Okay. So, once na meron ka ng $30, no, sa capping mo or sa upgrade wallet mo, what you will do is just click it. Okay? Click it. Then, once na maklik mo yan, for example, ikaw, light account ka, meron ka ng $30, no? So, na-accumulate yan. Click mo yan, then automatically, you will be given one box. Okay? Meron kang isang box plus. From light account, yung account mo ay mag-upgrade up to core account. And this time around, syempre, yung upline mo, masisiyahan. Bakit? Every time mag-upgrade ka, aakyat yung referral bonus niya. Okay? As you upgrade. Then, kung nasa weak leg ka, may chance pa kikita pa siya ng binary bonus. Alright. So, yan. From core account, yung maximum naman na kitain mo is 600. By the way, as a core account, yung referral bonus mo, aakyat na rin yan. Tataas na yan. No? From $4, magiging $5 na yan. So, ang income potential ng core account is $600. Ayan, yan naman yung maximum na pwede mong kitain. So pag na-accumulate na yung $600, meron ka nang nakasegregate dyan na $60. So what you will do is just click it again. You will be given 2 boxes of Life Protect. Ayan. Then from core account, magiging pro account ka na. So here, sa pro account mo, income cap mo dito is 3,600. So of course, every time mag-upgrade, no, aakyat yung referral bonus kay upline. So ito yung kagandahan. Lahat ng mga downline or mga sponsor ni upline, especially sponsor, he or she will enjoy the referral bonus every time there's a upgrade or capping. Ayan. So from pro account, nakasegregate na yan yung 360. So i-click na naman yan. So anyway, nothing to worry about that. Kasi mayroon yang naka-note yan doon, no? Pwede mo nang i-claim. So notify doon sa system natin na pwede mo na yang i-claim every time na mag-mature na yan. So what you will do is just click it, claim the product. Yan. So until sa time naging master ka, then ang master naman yung potential income niya is 7,200. Then repurchase, then meron kang naka-segregate na 720. Click mo na naman yan, another product naman until sa time na magiging infinity yung account mo. Imagine, from light, magiging infinity ang account mo. So here, yung maximum na pwede mo kitain is around 12,000. So, and yan, talagang lahat po ng mga downlines po natin, kahit na nagsimula lang po sila sa light account, they have the chance, no? Or wala silang ibang pwedeng, kumbaga, walang ibang pwedeng patutunguhan, kundi they will become an infinity account. Ayan. So lahat po tayo magiging infinity account. So but somehow if you want to maximize yung business opportunity, if nakita nyo yung LifeMax Global ay napakagandang negosyo po, no? Walang hassle, no pressure, walang maintenance. So you could maximize this by having 3 power global accounts. Yan. So paano po 'yon? Here in LifeMax Global, we have the maximum pwede tayong to have a maximum 3 accounts, no? Yan. So you could start from 3 light, you could start from 3 core, 3 core account, or you could start from 3 pro, no? 3 master, or even 3 infinity. So it's up to you then to decide kung saan mo gustong umpisahan yung negosyo mo dito sa LifeMax Global. So, however, we will be giving an example of 3 infinity. For example, talagang nakita mong gusto kong seryosohin tong si LifeMax Global at I will put this into the next level, talagang business talaga, no? So you could start from 3 infinity, no? Ayan. So if mayroon kang 3 infinity na account, yan, what you will do is ang gagawin mo lang is just get your 4 leaders, no? Hanapin mo yung 4 potential leaders mo na pwede mong maging partner dito sa LifeMax Global na mag-duplicate din sa iyo, no? Ayan. So get your 4 leaders. Okay? So on the level 1, no? So ang gawin mo lang, okay? So wala kang ibang i-target kundi after you get your 3 accounts na infinity, get your 4 leaders na kumuha din ng tatlong infinity account. And you know what? On the first level, pag makuha mo na o makompleto mo na yung 4 leaders mo na nagkuha ng tatlong infinity account, you will have the potential income of 3,200, or that's around 224,000. Ayan. Talagang yun po ang pwede nyong, ang tindi ng pwedeng kitain, no? Ng sa apat, no? Apat na leaders na nakuha nyo. So next, what you will do is itong apat na leader nyo, wala kayong gagawin kundi teach them, train them, empower them to get also 4 leaders as what you have done, no? Duplicate, do the same, no? So apat na tatlo na infinity. On the second level, pag makompleto nila ito, this would be 16 infinity. This time around, ang pwede mong kitain is around 268,000. So yung 16, nag-duplicate, naging 64. Yung kikitain mo dito is 537,000. Yung 64 naging 256, ang kikitain mo dito is around 1 million plus 1 million. Then yung 256 naging 1,024, this time around you will be earning 2.1 million. And yung 1,024 naging nag-duplicate yan, 4,096. So whether you like it or not, you will like it. No, dahil itong lahat ng ito, pag nasa 6 level, hindi lang diyan, no, kumbaga hindi lang diyan kumbaga nagka-cut or nag-stop. Kumbaga infinity yan. But here pa lang sa level 6, in total accumulation, pwede mo nang ma-enjoy yung total kita ng 8.5 million. Kaya naman, if you think that this opportunity talagang napaka-posible, and I know somehow marami na po yung nakita or kakilala na talagang kumita sa ganitong industry, and here in LifeMax Global, napakatindi dahil kakaiba ang produkto, napaka-reliable at saka napakaganda ng negosyo hatid sa atin ng LifeMax Global. Yan. So, yun. Doon pa lang, talagang sulit na. And we have this 4-way to earn. We have the repurchase program. So, yung repurchase program natin, no, kahit na ang gagawin mo lang dito, yung repurchase program, it doesn't necessary na encode ka pa ng maraming mga pangalan. So we are just kumbaga ano lang tayo, entitled lang tayo to have 3 accounts, okay? So pag yung ikaw ay Infinity account, for example, Infinity account ka, no? So nag-purchase ka ngayon, no? So ang ginawa mo, nag-repurchase ka. Okay? So pag repurchase mo, yung referral bonus, okay? Dahil repurchase ang pinili mo, yung referral bonus, hindi aakyat yun sa upline, kundi aakyat or papasok sa sarili mong dashboard. For example, Infinity ka, no? Then nag-encode ka ngayon, mayroon kang code dahil nag-purchase ka ng light or sandbox. Ang ginawa mo, nag-repurchase ka. So, yung repurchase mo, you will enjoy the referral bonus. So, the referral bonus will serve as your discount. Yan. The question right now is, how about si upline? Ano yung ma-enjoy niya? Every time mag-repurchase ka or yung mga leaders down the line mag-repurchase, lahat ng mga in-encode doon or ni-repurchase doon, it has a point value. So yung mga point value na or mga points yon, no? Kumbaga, every time mag-repurchase, aakyat ngayon kay upline. Ngayon, ang nangyari, lahat ng mga nasa weak leg ni upline na nag-repurchase, aakyat yun ngayon at papalo yun ngayon sa strong leg ni upline. So, he or she will enjoy the pairing bonus. Kaya dito sa LifeMax Global, every time na may mag-new member, pwede kang kumita sa binary. Every time na may mag-upgrade, okay, mag-capping, kikita ka na naman sa another sa binary. Every time mag-repurchase, another kita na naman sa binary. Kaya here in LifeMax Global, you will enjoy redundant binary. Yan. So, how about if you have 3 accounts, no? Mas maganda kung mayroon kang 3 accounts. Ito yung scenario. So, pag 3 accounts ka, mas ma-maximize mo yung kitaan dahil hindi lang referral bonus ang tatanggapin mo as your parang magiging outright ano mo yun, yung parang magiging parang kumbaga members bonus mo 'yon, no? Here in 3 accounts, no? So hindi lang referral bonus, at the same time you will enjoy the binary as well. Okay? So for example, ito yung account 3 mo nandoon yung strong leg. So yung account 2 mo nandoon yung weak leg. So doon ka repeat purchase. So you're planning to have the repeat purchase of Infinity package. So akit yung referral bonus sa main account. Then may pairing bonus pa. Yan. So, here, pag 3 account kayo or 3 accounts ka, you will enjoy the 2 benefits. You will be enjoying the referral bonus plus the binary bonus. Ganon ka tindi if meron kang 3 account. Yan. So, referral bonus goes to your main account for every product package repurchase. Referral bonus depends on the entry package. Enjoy recurring binary rewards every time under the network makes repurchase. Yan. So, payout percentage, cash out 80%, capping, no? 10%, then redemption 10%. Yung redemption natin, it could be converted to product, no? Yan. So, because we would like to, every members, we must be a product of our own product. Kaya naman mas maganda yung hindi lang tayong magaling magbenta, mismo tayo meron tayong personal experience o tayo mismo, no? As we will be serve or model sa ating negosyo dahil nagte-take po tayo. Ayan, 100%. So last but not the least, we have the leadership bonus reward. Yung leadership bonus reward natin, ang kagandahan dito sa leadership bonus reward natin, it is accumulated. Wala po tayong reset, okay? So, ano to? Kumbaga, continuous po ito, no? Walang demotion, okay? So, yan. So, leadership bonus reward, ito po, no? So, yung leadership bonus reward natin, ang requirement nito is accumulation income. So, yung accumulation income and also the direct sponsor requirement. Ayan. So, pag nag 2,500 ka na ang accumulation income mo, then you will have an 2 infinity direct. This time around, pag mayroon kang 2 infinity direct, 2,500 na accumulation income, you will be ranked as Quartz Ambassador. By the way, kahit na light yan, nag 2 infinity, naging 2 infinity, so you will be a Quartz Ambassador. Then you will be enjoying a smartphone or any gadgets worth 15,000 peso or 50 plus 50 product redemption reward plaque. Then from 2,500 naging 3,000, naging 4,000, naging 5,000. So accumulated yan. So wala tayong reset, no? So continuous yan. Here, 5,000 ka na, tapos meron kang 6 na direct infinity direct, no? So you will be ranked as Amethyst builder. So nakapag-smartphone ka na, then this time you will be enjoying a local travel incentive going to El Nido, or you could have Boracay or Siargao. It's up to you then, no? So pili ka lang 4 days and 3 nights plus 150 product redemption. Ayan. Then from Amethyst, ang 5,000 mo naging 10,000. This time, meron kang 15 Infinity Direct. You will be ranked as Emerald Manager. As Emerald Manager, you will have a car plan, 60,000 as down payment for your car plan. So or you could have your iPhone 17, no? So no cash. Ayan. So ayan. 300 yung product redemption reward natin. Then from Emerald Manager, naging Sapphire Executive ka na, 25,000. Okay? So car plan, aside from car plan mo, you will be nagka-car plan ka na plus another na naman na trip incentive reward going to Thailand. And take note, this trip to Thailand is not just for one, but this is good for two. Good for two po yan, no? So may mga kung hindi pwedeng hindi kasama si partner, no? So kung syempre ano to, good for 5 days and 4 nights, 500 with 500 product redemption reward. Then we have the Ruby Crown, and Ruby Crown here, no? So 50,000 yung total accumulation na after mo nag-trip to Thailand, no? Then another trip na naman incentive going to Japan or South Korea. Pili ka lang, no? So pili lang, hindi ito dalawa. So pili ka lang. So trip for 2, 6 days and 5 nights. Then after that, you will be ranked as Diamond Supreme. Then this time around, you have luxury reward items, Rolex, Louis Vuitton, or Balenciaga. Pili ka lang din, no? So pili ka lang dyan, no? So yung product redemption is 2,500 product redemptions. Ayan. And here in LifeMax Global, hindi lang po tayo distributors dito, so or partners here, but soon, no, as you grow your network, as you build your organization, habang kumikita kayo, no, meron kayong chance na magiging shareholder sa company, no? So here in LifeMax Global, you can be ranked or junior shareholder, no? So junior shareholder, mayroon kayong company shares, no, plus Montero na down payment, no, for Fortuner B plan. So it's up to you then, no, to decide. Okay? So 5,000 product redemption. Then after junior share, you have a senior shareholder, no, company share, housing plan. Then the last but not the least, major shareholder. Here, you will be able to enjoy the company share plus Europe trip good for 2, no? So that would be a 12 days and 11 nights. Yan. Kaya naman talagang napaka-rewarding po kung nasa po tayo, nasa LifeMax Global po tayo. But not just that, but there's a lot more na mga incentives na upcoming na ipapalabas po ng ating LifeMax Global. Kaya naman talagang napaka-rewarding po ng ating program sa ating LifeMax Global. And here, no, before we will end, sabi nga dito, no, ni Tony Robbins, no, the only impossible journey is the one you never begin, no? So kaya kailangan lang dito desisyonan at umpisahan. Yan. So but before that, no, by the way, I would like to share sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon, especially if yung mga nakita ninyo na yung potential ni LifeMax Global, you could bring this one to the next level, or pwede po kayong maging stockist sa area nyo po, no? So if you think na yung area nyo is very potential, ang daming populated yung area, ang daming ang laki ng market, then you could be a stockist, no? So by the way, once na, especially sa city stockist natin, once you will be the city stockist of that on that particular area, it will be exclusively, and we will not accept stockist, city stockist anymore. Yan. So one time lang po ito, then you will be lifetime on that on that specific area. Okay, so we have two stockists. We have this two stockist program. We have sub-stockist and city stockist. So sa lahat ng sa lahat ng pwedeng mag-city stockist or sub-stockist, or may makakilala na pwedeng mag-sub-stockist or city stockist, here are the program or qualifications, no? Yan. So yung sub-stockist natin, what you will do is just purchase the sub-stockist package of 252,000. Ito yung packages natin, no? So we have a 1 Infinity Pack, 40 boxes, 1 Master Pack, 16 boxes, 2 Pro Pack, 4 Core Pack, 8 Light Pack, so and a rolling product of 80 boxes. In total, product worth 336,000 worth of product. So ayan. And pwede nyo lang po itong, kumbaga, kung gusto nyo i-light pack lahat, pwede naman. Basta mag-ano lang siya, papasok lang siya sa price range niya, no? So ayan. So dito, ang stockist benefit ng ating sub-stockist, he or she will enjoy 100 service fee of 100 peso per box every repurchase. That's around 5%, no? So, and also he or she is entitled to have an event support from the company. That's around 10,000 peso. So finder's bonus 15,000 cash, product support $5 with no PB. That's 10,500 worth, no? So sa lahat ng mga may kakilala diyan, this is the time na pwede niyong i-share itong magandang opportunity, and you will be enjoying finder's bonus of 15,000 cash. Yan. So sa ating city stockist, we have 504,000. So ito naman yung inclusion, no? So we have 2 Infinity, 2 Master, 4 Pro Pack, 8 Core Pack, 16 Light Pack. So naka-code na, may mga code yan, mga equivalent code. Yan. So rolling inventory 160 boxes. So a total products worth of 672,000. So ayan. Then stockist benefit, you will be enjoying 10% every repurchase. So therefore, you have a service fee of 200 pesos per box and 2 event support from the company. That's a worth of 20,000. So sa lahat ng makakakita or makakuha ng city stockist, you will be enjoying finder's bonus of 30,000 cash plus product support of 10 bucks with no PB worth 21,000. And take note, no? Sa lahat ng mga makakuha ng stockist, by the way, aside from the finder's bonus, of course, hindi naman sila papasok na hindi sila mag-i-encode. Every time mag-encode sila, meron ka pang another referral bonus doon sa dashboard po natin. No? So kaya naman dito sa program po natin, sa lahat ng mga makakuha, talagang they will enjoy talaga yung mga bonuses. Ayan. So dito sa LifeMax Global, napakasulit, napakagandang umpisahan, at napaka worth it na i-share dahil talaga, no? Napakaganda ng ating opportunity. More than product, maganda din yung business natin. Ayan. So for tonight, thank you very much sa lahat na nandito ngayon, especially sa ating mga guests, no, na first timers, no, na nakakinig dito, no, sa ating opportunity, no. So thank you very much, and once again, magandang gabi po sa lahat. So Coach Bernie, back to you po.
Wow, thank you so much for that very motivating and inspiring presentation. So with that, we thank our beloved Chief Marketing Officer, Captain Coach Jerson Pareño, and of course, to all of you, dear partners and guests, for coming over. I think that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. See you on our next Zoom, and to God be the glory.